What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly to check AI content for plagiarism. So first off, in your Google or any browser in the search bar, type in Grammarly and you will see the official first website of Grammarly. Just click on that website, and if you don't have an account, just create a new account with Grammarly, or if you already have an account, just simply log in. As you can see, I already have an account. I have logged into my Grammarly. After logging in, you will have a pop message of adding the Grammarly extension. Just simply click apply or yes. So it will add an extension here on the top. So as you can see, Grammarly AI writing, the extension is already added in my browser. After that, create a new document on Google Docs. In the new tab, simply click on your search bar and type in Google Docs. After that, on this first website of Google Doc, open Google Docs and click on create blank document. After that, just copy your AI content. After copying your AI content, you can see this Grammarly extension here on my right side corner. I'll simply click on this G, and here you can see the option of check for plagiarism and AI text. When I'll click on it, I'll just simply click maybe later. This says that detect plagiarism and AI text. Grammarly finds parts of your text that may need citations for external sources or AI generation. So you can get a pro version of this plagiarism tool to check that your content is AI generated or it's original. Or if you don't want to purchase a premium subscription of Grammarly, you can just simply click on this Get Add-ons and you can install an add-on on Google Workspace. Just simply type in check plagiarism online in Google Docs. So this will show these extensions. You can install any one of these and you can check your plagiarism online in Google Workspace also. This will check your plagiarism in Google Documents, Google Drive, anywhere you want. Just simply add it and it will check everything and give you a detailed report and insight of your document. So that was all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.